Happy Hump Day, everyone. This is Emily with DEK Designs, and today I am showing you our freebie kit, which we do every Wednesday for Hump Day. And this time we have a 5-sheet kit for free with a $15 purchase. This one is called 2019, and it is mint in color with silver foil. These are your full boxes. Your double box is this girl here sitting on a couch with her pizza and Netflix and the really pretty skyline in the background. The foil on this one, the design of it reminds me of fireworks, so I really like that. So there is your full boxes. Here's your half boxes and habit trackers and appointment trackers, your weekend banner, date covers, and your washi, your checklists, and your matching foil glitter headers, and some icons that match. And we do have some things that also match this kit that's a la carte to meet your $15 purchase to get this kit for free, if you choose to do so. Otherwise, we do have a lot of new things in shop if you haven't checked it out. So 2019 free 5-sheet kit with silver foil when you purchase $15 or more. Everybody have a happy hump day. I will see you next time.